Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today I'm going to be making some Copycat Raising Cane's chicken, and I'm going to be making some Copycat coleslaw. Copycat, what restaurant is it? Gosh, I'm drawing a blank. Copycat Chick-fil-A. Copycat Chick-fil-A coleslaw. All right, so let's get started. All right, so these are the ingredients I used. I used breadcrumbs, seasoned breadcrumbs. I used tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of black pepper, tablespoon of soul food seasoning, and some minced onions. I didn't have any onion powder, so I had to use minced onions. Okay, so this right here is the chicken tenders that have been soaking overnight in buttermilk. So got my flour seasoning mixture here. That's what I put all these seasonings into here. And I've also got my breadcrumbs and my panko breadcrumbs. So I used a cup and a half of flour, about half a cup of panko breadcrumbs, and a half a cup of, actually about a fourth a cup of bread seasoning. So I'm gonna grab a spoon and stir this up, a fork rather, and stir this all together. And then we're gonna start building I already put the seasonings in here as well. So we're just gonna stir this up. And I'm not gonna dip it in any egg mixture or egg wash, but you can if you want yours extra crispy. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna take one of the pieces of bread, a chicken, dip it in the bread, flour seasoning. I'm just going to call it the flour seasoning, flour mixture. All right, take it out. See, it's going to still be crispy because of the buttermilk. All right, so take another one, do the same thing. I'm also going to make some Raising Cane's dipping sauce. So we'll do that as well. All right, so just go ahead and do that. All right, I'm going to finish flouring up the chicken tenders, and I'll come back when I'm done with that. We'll be ready to start frying. Okay, our cooking oil has gotten hot, and we're getting ready to get started frying the chicken up. So this all my batter, all my chicken has been floured. So now it's ready to go into the skillet. So I'm just going to put it in the skillet. I think it needs to get a little bit hotter because I want it to fry fast. So I'm going to turn the heat up and wait a few more minutes. Let the skillet get hotter. Okay, my grease is good and hot now. My oil is good and hot now. I'm from the old school. We used to use grease, you know, that lard. So I always say grease when I mean oil. All right, so we're putting it in here, but we don't want to overcrowd it because we want it to fry up really nice and well. And I've got about 4 or 5 pieces in there. Let me see. 1, 2. I'm going to put one more in the middle. All right, so that's going to fry up well. See, this one's ready to turn, yeah. And you want to get it a good golden brown color, so just going to let that fry up, and then we'll come back. When it's good and golden brown, you'll see what it looks like. Okay, we have one that's ready. So let's take it out and show you how beautiful golden brown it is. You see that? That is beautiful golden brown chicken tenders. Put them over there in this paper towel lined pan. That one's not quite ready. That one's not quite ready. Trying to get a beautiful golden brown color. Okay, I'm going to put some more in there. Maybe a couple more. Maybe one more. Okay. And we're just going to repeat this process until they're all done. see if you can find another brown one. Turn your heat on high so that they can brown really fast, cook up really fast, so they'll be crispy on the outside, but so juicy and tender on the inside. This one may be ready. Not quite. Not quite ready yet. But we do want them to fry fast. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, now to make the sauce for the chicken. This is the chicken, and it turned out really, really well, as you can see. We're gonna make the Raising Cane's sauce. All right, so we're gonna need some mayonnaise. About a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of mayonnaise, I'll put it that way. You're gonna need ketchup. You're gonna need about 4 tablespoons of ketchup. So I'm just gonna eyeball measure this ketchup. Okay. You're gonna need garlic powder, about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. You're gonna need paprika, about a half a teaspoon of paprika. And you're gonna need some pepper. Okay, that's all you need. And you just stir that all together. Oh, you're gonna need some Worcestershire sauce. So let me go grab the Worcestershire sauce. I almost forgot about that. Worcestershire. I can hardly say that word. Worcestershire sauce. You need about 2 teaspoons. Okay, then mix all that together. Like so. Mix it all together. Just get it off the spoon if you can. Okay, put the spoon away. That tastes so good. That's going to be a good dipping sauce for our chicken. All right, so we'll be right back. Okay, so there you have it. Copycat Raising Cane's chicken with the Raising Cane sauce. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Ella dishes it out. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bon appetit.